Swoosh, just do it. 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 Swoosh, just do it.
Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Jovenel. Today's video, I'm gonna be adding a couple accessories that I bought off eBay that I think will go nice with the car. I'm gonna show you guys. So, first thing that I got was this right here. It's a carbon fiber gas tank. First, I'm going to clean the surface of the gas tank to get rid of all the debris and then install that. We'll see how it looks. Okay, as you guys can see, it is installed. My honest opinion, I liked it until I saw this. It looks like it's pushed out a lot. I wish it could, be in with the car like this. I don't mind it. Let me know what you guys think. The next item that I got are these tire valve caps. It has the Honda symbols on them. I got it in chrome so it could stand out, and it comes with a keychain. Looks pretty cool, so I'm about to put these on. Let me know what you guys think about that. Alright, I'm gonna just put it on the rest of them. This right here is a steering wheel emblem that's going to be put right here. This will go well with the steering wheel. There's not a lot of red on here, but you see this red startup button, so I think that will go great with it. Install it right now. So it's pretty easy. All you have to do is take the 3M off and just slap it right on there. Make sure it's even. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do that. That red really stands out. I really do like that. Let me know what you guys think about this red emblem. It really does go well with push button start. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to install on the car, these are door lock screw protector covers for right there. Cover these screws up on the doors. I purchased these probably 2 months ago because I ordered them from China. It was really cheap. So I'm gonna put these on right now. So these come with 12s in one pack. You just take the 3M sticker off and then put it directly the bolt. There you have it. That's it. So I'm gonna do it to the other doors and finish it off. Okay, now I'm done. Install them on all the doors. Take away that silver. All right, on to the next one. So I messaged one of the sellers that had one of these. They had the whole kit, the front and the back. So, but I already have it on my car. So I just asked them for this back piece. So I'm about to go ahead and install them right now. So I was missing this part because when I first I got this a long time ago. So one thing I noticed is that it's not that dark, and this one's just blacked out. But I mean, That's fine, I guess. I don't care. But another thing is that this part is chrome. So what I'm gonna do is buy black vinyl and just do the whole entire thing plus this part. And then yeah, I really don't care as of right now. But easy installed. Peel the 3M off and then clean the chrome trim off and just apply it. That's it. So I'm gonna do it right now to both of them, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like right after. Okay, so I installed it. Now I got the whole 3-piece set now. When I first purchased these visors, they didn't come with this. It took like a couple months later for them to come out with this. So that's why it's 2 different sellers that I purchased these visors from. Got it right there. Right there. If you guys want, I know a lot of people only have these 2 visors, so I'll put the link down below in case somebody wants this. Just message the guy and just be like, can I only have this piece for the back window, and then he'll give it to you for like $15, $16. The 3M tape is ridiculously strong. Like, I'm moving this, I can't even move this, to be honest. Like, that's how strong the 3M tape is. Not for these. I had one of these fly off before because the 3M was terrible. I don't know why. Some cheap ass 3M tape. I had to go buy 3M tape from Home Depot to go do that, and I had no troubles with it after that. So, but yeah, these are real nice. I will get black vinyl and then get all this chrome deleted. I didn't see any point on buying the chrome delete for the windows when I had the visors going on there, so it really made no sense for me purchasing it. But if you guys want to do that, I mean, there's no problem doing it, but if you guys want to do it my way, there it is. Just buy it. Vinyl wrap. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to be taking the cord and the sport badges off. So these are the 4 things that you're going to need. Heat gun. So I was going to show you guys the whole process, but I don't know where this piece is that hooks up to the camera, so I can't show you guys the whole thing, but I'm gonna start it up now. I got my floss, I got the gun, so now I'm just gonna go back and forth with it. Alright, I use a floss and I got some of it off. There you go. So just do the rest for the others. And we're done. So I'm gonna finish off with the others and then go on to the sport badge. Okay, there you have it. It's off. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start on the sports right now. Okay, so I took the sport off and the cord, so now I'm just gonna just rub it off. So I'm gonna clean the surface off before I start rubbing it, so I don't get it scratched. Okay, so there you have it. Basically all I did was just rub my hand around it, and then it all came off. So I'm gonna use a gun off and remove that. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the Sport, just rubbing it off. First clean the surface off so you don't scratch it, and then remove the rest of the glue off of it. Okay, so Sport is gone. Cord. So now I'm gonna use this, use it in a circular motion, and then we're basically done. That's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it, and I'm gonna put the camera down real quick. All right, it's all gone. So I'm gonna do this side, and then we're all done. Okay, so now the Sport badge is gone. So now, whenever I pull up to a car meet, I'm gonna be like, yeah, my shit was a 2.0 T. Even though my shit's a 1.5, they won't know until they race me. But, all right, people, there it is. Tell me what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I answer to everybody, literally everybody. The giveaway, I will be doing that next video, so it's on the way. Sorry that I've been taking so long, not posting video up and stuff like that. I'm gonna be right back on that again because I just stopped. It's been like a month now since I haven't posted anything up, so peace.